So, ever since we left Pathankot, it's been raining non-stop. Like literally the whole way. Heavy rain, foggy roads, everything. But somehow we still managed to reach Dalhousie, and it was already evening by then. And honestly, the vibe here is unreal. The mist, the rain, the quiet roads. It genuinely feels like we are in a dream. I don't know how to explain it, but this place just hits different. And getting to experience all of this with my love just makes it even more special. We spent some time just enjoying the views, soaking it all in, had a nice light meal, which was actually really good, and then just went for a chill evening walk. Nothing fancy, just vibes. So these are the kinds of days you don't plan, but they turn out to be the best ones.